Hi guys, how are y'all doing? I hope that you all are well. DJ in the background saying Mochi. Big up my sister. She's living in Japan. So it's such an exciting day. Firstly, I can't find my tripod handle. My tripod handle. My tripod handle. So I don't know how stable this is going to be. But it's so exciting. Be very careful. Because my sister sent us a package, a care package. Look. This is from Japan. So this is from Japan and she sent us some snacks. She sent Baby Bear some gifts. I got ramen and I'm about to unpack it with pure excitement. Yes. Are you excited? You know? Whoop! Noah, you have crusties on your nose. Can I wipe it off? But yeah, let's get to unpacking. Yeah, come.
You're so cool, Noah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ready? Yeah, ready?
I'm so sweet. I taped that, man.
Auntie taped this.
Well, I didn't tape the receipt on there, but I taped over the box.
It's crazy. It comes out really nicely. Then we need to care of this package together.
Zena, you were talking about the Japanese here. Everything is done very well. I'm sorry, but we are lit. We are super lit.
I'm keeping this now, so. Alright, come now, open up the box. I love how in the background you can hear, you know, God of grace.
Yeah, you God of grace. I only say this because of you. I don't say it because of anybody else.
Oh my God, I'm going to hyperventilate. Camera.
Not that deep, sis.
It is that deep.
Happy birthday.
Thank you to me. Happy birthday.
That's from my roll. My roll.
Is it? I'm going to keep on.
Say again?
I'm going to say one.
Don't be a
Okay, so
Wait, don't be a weirdo.
just please don't. No, that's my kind of guy. You just get right in there because no, what is he not stall?
And he threw something in there and he clapped. Keep that safe. Put it in your pocket. Okay.
Is this some Japanese newspaper?
Is this Japanese newspaper?
That's right. I figured that you would have
Because it
freaked
has
out
loads
about
of
that.
Japanese on it.
But I used it to stuff the box.
That's
the
so
top.
cool.
What is Glena?
Glena. Observer. Petit choco pie. Noah.
One of everything.
Pocky.
Okay, I'm gonna say that.
She's butchering all of it.
Pocky. So stupid, guys.
What's this?
That's the one that I picked up. I wasn't sure what it was.
Okay, Noah likes it
Let me know
though.
what it is.
Oh, more Pocky. This one is the pistachio. Did you know you're holding this the other day?
It was, I know you.
I'm taking your germs.
You're so stupid, man.
This is tea.
You know, yeah, that's barley tea.
Noah. Pocky. Look at Dean. Ooh, let's see what's in here. This is for Noah.
Oh, she bought noodles or something like that.
She did that for you. Alone. Noah, let's open your stuff first. The box? I know. It's so exciting. I'm so grateful. You're the best.
This is so weird.
Thanks for everything, sis, from me.
I love you so much, you know.
I love you too.
Sweetie.
Sweetie pie. Honey love.
What's this?
Hopefully you like it for your desk, Dean. It's emblematic of Dyson City.
I love it.
Oh,
Have you
you know,
opened
hope
it
you do.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I love it already.
I hope you do. We're
What's that?
mask.
Can I have some of that?
Do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Alright.
What is it?
Opsy shell. It's a sheep mask.
Mask. Okay.
Man.
Well, now I'm here again.
Watch Noah, please.
You know what thing is taking out. There's the other tea, yeah?
Essential green tea.
Green tea. Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? Is that from Auntie? There's sakura tea. I'm gonna make this now. And I have that this is what in there? Is this tea?
Yeah, that's brown rice tea. It's so good. It's called genmaicha.
Genmaicha.
Oh.
Look! Mochi!
It's not.
Oh,
That's not
take
mochi,
it back, sorry.
okay?
What you want in there?
Oh, okay.
It's so pretty.
See? Because I don't know what it looks like. Yeah, so you're supposed to have the stand.
Oh, this one.
Did it come with a stand?
I think so. Oh, yeah, I did, yeah.
Yeah, so just put it on the stand. So that is actually a picture from 1987 of the fireworks display.
Oh, wow.
1987 was
Oh,
born as well.
Yeah, that's in my prefecture. Millions of people come to see this every summer from all over.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Thanks, sis.
You're welcome. I was hoping that you'd like it. Zena said you were looking for something for your desk.
Yeah, definitely. I love it.
Oh, that's really cool.
Step again up, man. Let's hear this saying. Nothing. Not about all things.
Oh, Zena, you have to open that. That is Akita's finest.
I'm
That
afraid to
is
open
the
it.
number one omiyage, huh?
It's so pretty. I don't want to open it.
Okay, Zena.
I'm going to, but that's it.
I'm really over you right now because me done bust that open a long
But
time.
look how pretty it is.
I really think you should eat that right now. You
This?
and Dean have that right now.
Okay.
Yep, have
What
to
is
taste
it?
it.
What's it
It's
called?
called Kinman.
Kidman, yeah?
Kinman. Noah, why are you putting them back in the box?
Yeah, there's loads of stuff.
I know, there's so much. Auntie went all out, didn't she? You say thank you, Auntie.
Yeah, watch me tell beer people say, oh, they're gonna ask me,
I
what's
heard
that on
you
your
called
desk?
mommy auntie.
Yeah.
That's incorrect.
Got this when I was in Japan, okay?
Oh my gosh, hear this story now, Janelle.
What's this now?
You can't get this.
Oh my God.
Exclusive.
He said when people say, hey, what's that on your desk? He's like, man, I got this when I was in Japan.
Yeah, that's from my trip in Japan. Trip to Japan, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, we're just going to end it here for now. Because I want to enjoy the little time. Yeah. Enjoy the little time with my sister. Alrighty, bye. This is almost everything from the unboxing today. So much. I don't know how she managed to send that many snacks and treats. Teas, and I had put some up in the cupboard already. End of the day. Noah's off to bed. They're sleeping. Dean fell asleep as well. That's my night. Today was such an amazing day. It was sad. It's weird that it was sad. A bit sad, but still amazing. Sad in the sense where I haven't seen my sister or the rest of my family in 2 years? In about 2 years. Yeah, definitely 2 years. It may seem like nothing to some people, but we're an extremely close-knit family. I love them to bits. And they do say there's strength in numbers. So I feel so... I don't have strength right now because I don't have my mom, my dad, and my sister. That sounds really depressing. I'm trying to be depressing. But that just shows how much I'm close to them and how much I love them. Because I do live in the UK. And it's pretty far away from Jamaica. And Janelle's all the way in Japan. But I should be seeing them soon. God's grace. But yeah, it was amazing in the sense that obviously I got snacks from a completely different side of the world. And I've always wanted to visit Japan, and that's in our plans for the future with God's grace. So that's something to look forward to. I love everything that she said. I tried the tea, the Sakura green tea. Amazing. Okay? Delicious. I can't. I'm so looking forward to trying the sheet masks. Oh, I can't. Because of who I am, I really want everything to last as long as possible. I'd be so stingy to the point where I still have things to the end of the year. I'm very sentimental, okay? That's the only reason why I do things like that. Yeah, I just want to end it on a good note. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was really good for me. I enjoyed it so much. Unboxing it was such a pleasure. Thank you again, my lovely sister. I hope you guys have a lovely week. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope you have an amazing week. Stay positive, stay driven, and just take care of yourselves. All right, bye.